So I have a gift package from Divine Vibrations. And what's inside of this care package? It's cute. It's itty bitty. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so here we have one of the most beautiful cards I've ever gotten, and admittedly, I did open it early because it was heavy, so I was curious. And this is the owner, CEO, creative director, everything, Miss Jazmine, with a beautiful card. Let's read it. New year, new vibe. Flip. I'm here for the texture. Yes. Nikki, the past year has been crazy. A hard reset from everything considered normal. Still, I'm grateful because beauty is in the midst. The divine is with us. 'Tis the season for rebirth, renewal, and restoration. Preach, sister. Sending you prayers that purify anything harmful, but also welcomes all that is good. Love, peace, freedom, and justice. Sincerely, Jazmine T. Steele. Hashtag Divine Vibrations. Yes! Little do you guys know, I am a December baby, so happy birthday and holiday greetings from Jazmine Steele. Come through with the fierceness. I see it. Oh. She's rocking that Kelly Green. I see you, girl. Go ahead. You know what? This is why I adore everything from Ladie Steele and Divine Vibrations, because check this out. Okay, first, I have a grid. A key tells me what I have inside of my care package. We have waist beads, and we're going to have Plano Santo. I hope I'm saying it right, Plano Santo. So, let's start with the whole waist beads part. By the way, come through, merch. Come through with the merchandise. I live in tank tops. I don't care how cold it is, so she knows me too well. And now I get to support one of my favorite small businesses, Black-owned businesses, and super creative, unique pieces of jewelry. Maker. Speaking of jewelry, come through with the waist beads. Okay, so I've never rocked waist beads before. I'm up for a challenge. I don't want to break these though, and they're so pretty. Looks like it has quartz in it. Let's get closer. Take a look. Let's see here. So we have rose quartz. We have snowflake obsidian. I hope I'm saying correctly. Sunstone, turquoise, and larimar. If I said any of these incorrectly, you know of my ignorance to all things with the powers of crystals and beads and whatever. I just love that it's gorgeous. It's pretty. And I'm afraid to put it on because I'm afraid to break it. I don't want to be embarrassed. But this is so pretty. And the colors are close to what I always end up wearing anyway. Pink and black and a little bit of red flare in there. Lots of yellow. I live for yellow. And Plano Santo. Okay, this is new to me. Admittedly, I'm not with the cool kids, so let me see what Plano Santo is about. The wooden stick, a South American sacred wood that is used in spiritual ceremonies by the shamans to clear negative energy and bring about blessings. The wood is considered sacred because of the tree it comes from. Only gains its most potent fragrance once the tree dies. Interesting. Burn one end, enjoy the smoke, blow it out. I love the cozy, uplifting scent. Okay, so right now I have a fire going, but as soon as it dies down a little bit, or maybe I'll just play around with it anyway. This looks really good. It does smell good too. It's got a very fresh cut smell to it, so I can imagine burning it, what it's gonna smell like. So I guess the goal is to vibrate higher. I am here for all of this. Thank you so much, Ladie Steele. You are the best. I rocks with you.